China built cities, engineered urban worlds at continental scale. Skylines erupted within one generation across farmland villages before. They became machines for migration, manufacturing, finance, surveillance, national transformation. Modern China urban experiment explains everything beneath its rise today. Welcome to WorldBackstory, where hidden systems behind global power rise. Before towers, China faced overcrowding, rural poverty, industrial urgency everywhere. Leaders needed engines absorbing millions while accelerating national growth rapidly. Urbanization became strategy, planned, financed, expanded across nation deliberately. Land was reorganized, districts redrawn, infrastructure arrived before demand existed. Gamble was simple: build tomorrow cities before citizens fully arrived. Shenzhen fishing villages became innovation corridors linked by capital flows. Speed mattered most: acquire land zone, construct, iterate relentlessly everywhere. Factories drew workers, then housing, schools, hospitals, metros, malls, ambition. Roads pulled logistics, ports pulled trade, rail pulled labor capital. City became growth operating system itself, nationwide instead entirely. Municipal governments funded expansion through land sales, financing mechanisms. Urban land became powerful economic lever across China, politically, nationally. City edges financed expressways, subways, bridges, airports almost overnight, rapidly. Success funded more development, making further expansion financially possible again. This loop created speed, but also structural pressure beneath everything. Local governments borrowed heavily, expecting future growth to repay debt. Developers built districts appearing premature, even eerily empty initially there. Ghost districts were time-shifted bets on future demand curves. China built for present and future migration simultaneously, strategically, always. Migration occurred at scale few nations ever achieved before anywhere. Hundreds of millions moved from rural provinces toward coastal belts. Megacities filtered opportunity through registration systems and administrative rules. Hukou system shaped who fully belonged inside urban miracles legally. Workers built skylines yet remained excluded from urban benefits socially. Invisible architecture controlled mobility beneath gleaming towers across cities. Megacities expanded physically and administratively simultaneously, nationwide, together, always. Metro lines multiplied, ring roads widened, freight corridors inland dramatically. Urban regions fused into superclusters larger than many economies combined. Pearl River Delta became manufacturing organism stitched by infrastructure arteries. Yangtze Delta evolved into colossal machine of commerce and innovation. City building became territorial reprogramming beyond traditional urban boundaries entirely. High-speed rail compressed distance, labor markets, and investment geography. trips once taking days became business migration property changes overnight. Airports turned inland capitals into international nodes for global growth. Subways reshaped daily life, expanding affordable living distances for workers. Infrastructure manufactured metropolitan possibility rather than simply serving cities alone. This ambition required extraordinary materials, energy, labor, political coordination daily. Steel, cement, glass, copper, electricity flowed into urbanization like fuel. Cranes symbolized confidence, but also risk and dependency beneath everything. When expansion slows, debt remains, and unfinished districts linger visibly. Some projects overreached, others succeeded, revealing state capacity clearly always. China mobilized capital and construction at unmatched velocity globally historically. Speed inspired awe but sacrificed neighborhoods, history, and environment sometimes. Ancient streets disappeared, communities fractured, air thickened, rivers reshaped permanently. Megacity strategy delivered scale, transformed into geopolitical leverage abroad eventually. Ports connected exports, industrial zones deepened supply chains, financial influence. City became China interface with world and proving ground globally. Investors read skylines as signals of strategic national seriousness worldwide. Citizens experienced mobility, consumption, futures larger than previous generations imagined. Architecture carried narrative power, glass towers declared arrival visually everywhere. Deepest ambition was systemic national upgrading rather than aesthetics alone. Megacities concentrated universities, manufacturing platforms, and research ecosystems together fully. Talent, capital, innovation moved faster within dense urban systems always. Density created spillovers impossible in fragmented, low-capacity regions elsewhere. Yet engines overheat when debt and speculation outrun productivity growth. Property stress exposed vulnerabilities hidden beneath years of expansion growth. Developers stumbled, confidence weakened, local finances looked less stable before. Question remains whether megacities can mature without losing momentum now. Can they shift from expansion toward livability and resilience sustainably? Building megacities is hard, sustaining many gigantic ones harder still. China urbanized more people faster than any country in history. They are instruments of national design rather than accidental growth. Subscribe to World Backstory for hidden nations, megaprojects, and global power.